Hey folks, this is Wesley Virgin. Let's go. Listen up. I got something insane to show you right now. Okay, what you're looking at is clickbank.com. And many people, I've been in the internet marketing industry for a very long time, and there's so many people who don't know these behind the scenes underground hacks, and they do exist. And they're not giving it to you, right? They want you to buy a course, or they want you to pay $10,000. Check it out. In this video here, I'm going to show you exactly what the big honchos are doing. The great big affiliates, what they're doing behind the scenes that you just don't know about. Okay. And I know this because I've been on ClickBank. This is the first site here, first company, first affiliate platform that have paid me like over $30 million. I've been number one with them many, many years, and I've met many, many people. But before then, I didn't understand what big affiliates were doing to spend $10,000 to like $50,000 per day and make a profit. But in this video here, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So first site you need to go to is clickbank.com. Hey, much love to ClickBank. This site was the first affiliate platform when I was a beginner. When I was sleeping on the air mattress, I wasn't making no money like you, right? But this site, man, I really stuck with it. And I met some people that showed me some things. And now I'm going to give it to you for free. I had to pay for those things, but I'm going to give it to you for free because I truly believe that everybody should have an opportunity to get some of this money, right? Because there's so much money out there on the internet marketing platform, and you should get some of it. Okay, so it's clickbank.com, and ClickBank is nothing but an affiliate marketplace where you can basically create a product, and you can learn about that in the description below. I've did several tens of millions of dollars by doing that. Or two, you can promote a product. But let me show you the sneaky things that big affiliates are doing. They don't want me to show you this, but I'm going to do it anyway. If this video gets striked, I'm sorry. Watch it now to the very end. So I'm going to log in. Here we go. Log into my account here. Log in. Come on now. All right, here we go. So let me type in my username here. Give it a second. Seems like the internet is moving a bit slow for some reason. Very interesting here. Let me get that in here. This is me. Let me log in. So you create yourself an account, right? It's free to do, by the way. And then we see here, so far, I think I'm up like $2,500. If you look at it, $2,500 here. And it's just using this technique here that I'm going to get. Now, understand something. Use it first. Don't share with other people until you start making money, because if many people, such as the big affiliates that I know personally, if they see this, then they're going to try to strike this video down. Okay, so use it, make a ton of money, quit your job, fly the board, do what you want, but make money. Okay, very simple to do. Go to marketplace. And the great thing about this on ClickBank, you can do it with any product. It doesn't even matter. Any product on any platform like this, even Digistore, DavyZoo, it doesn't matter. It works very well on any product. So you want to hit this button right here that says the magnifying glass here, find products here, and you're going to see a list of products. You see all these different products here? So these type of products are products that that are currently making money. They're making money right now. They're making millions of dollars. I know all these people, right? And they're making millions of dollars. Some people making this per month. So the question is, how can you get some of that money? Okay, like you saw the $2,400 I've made so far. So let me show you exactly what you need to do. So you go to a product like this, CarboFix. We know it's making money because the gravity means 283 people just like you are making money on this product right now. Okay, they're in their bed. Maybe you're in your bed right now, and they're looking at this and they're watching it close to the very end, and they're making money. Okay, so that's how you know it's working. So what you want to do is click on the link. Now, this is what you're going to do. Look, this is the actual landing page right here. This is it, right? This is making this guy maybe tens of millions of dollars per year. Okay, now what you're going to do is this. This is the trick. Okay, check it out. So you're going to you can't see this right now, but you're basically going to copy the URL. Okay, you're going to copy the website address up top. Just copy and paste it. Okay, then you're going to go to google.com and you want to type in, look, this is the underground hack here, similar web. Okay, similar web. Hit enter. and you're going to see similarweb.com, right? Click on that. That's going to take you to similarweb.com. And now this is where it gets juicy here. And this is the hacks, man. This is what so many big marketers are doing. Like they say, Wesley, don't share this, but I don't really care. I believe everybody should win, because the internet pie is so huge. That's why people like me, because I'm a black sheep. I just tell people the truth and tell them how to make money. They make money, and then what they do is they give me testimonials like this. You see this right here? Send me testimonials from people and say, hey, I'm so excited, Wes. She made $4,000. That's Brenda here. So I want you to send me an email like that and say that you made money as well. So what you do is you're going to copy and paste. This is crazy, right? You're going to copy and paste that website address right here, okay? Does that make sense? You're going to copy and paste the carbofix.com right there, okay? And you're going to hit search. Or you're going to just hit that right there as well, the website. Now, bada boom, bada bing. Check this out. You're going to get all the data. You're going to get everything you need to start making $1,000 a day, even more. This is what all the big affiliates doing. Now, check it out. So you see this, it tells you the global rank here. But if you look down here, it's going up. Like that means they're killing it right now, which means then you can kill it, right? You see the traffic has increased to the site because people, they're making a ton of money. Now it's time for you to join in on the money train. Can I get a like or can I get an amen? You about to make some money. Check this out. They don't tell you this in your courses, by the way. If you scroll down here, you see where it says referrals. Well, these are the websites. Okay. Hey, look. These are the websites that the traffic is being sent to, which means if you duplicate it, right, use that website, you'll do the same thing as well. Because see, one thing about affiliate marketing, they spend a ton of money creating landing pages, trying to figure out testing. But what you're going to do using this site is sneak in on other people. Everybody does this. Well, everybody that makes money. The people that make no money, maybe like you make no money because of Wesley Virgin. You like them, right? And you say, Wesley, thank you so much for showing us this. Let me show you something. It's about to blow your mind, right? Check this out. Your jaw is about to drop. So we're going to see one of the sites right now. See, look at this. This is one site right now that's getting a ton of traffic. Okay? It's just one site. So what we can do is we could copy this, okay? But let me show you another site here. Look. If we go here, scroll down, okay? Health secret site. 4% of the traffic is going here, right? Look at here. See this right here? Like, understand this. Like, you see this where it's click here to know the new discovery? That's an affiliate link, okay? So this is another big affiliate that's probably making 20 to 30,000 profit per month. This is the lander that they're using. Smash the like button because I know you like me right now. Like Wesley, this is how they do it, right? All they're doing, they're using this site, similarweb.com, and it's pulling all the data, and it shows you where top affiliates are sending the traffic. Because everybody want to know is where's the traffic coming from, and how do I know if this lander will work? Well, this is proven. This is it. So stay with me. We're not done. So this lander right now, one affiliate is using this, right? We already verified that it's proven here. Over like 4% of this guy's traffic is coming from here. So we know it works. This guy's using it over and over again. So what we're going to do is this, not copy, but model. Comment model below. You're going to model this. Now how, Wes? Let me show you. Because Wes is going to give you the goods here. Look. So what you're going to do is, when we click on here, okay, let me click on it again. Let's open it back up, okay? We're going to take that. We're going to copy and paste that. Now, we need to go to one more site. This is going to just blow your mind because I know what you're thinking. You might say, well, Wesley, I don't have time to copy that. How do you copy that? Like, I got to type that out, and I'm not a website developer. You don't need to be at all. You don't need to be a website person at all. Check this out. See, they don't teach you this stuff. Listen. You're going to go to a site by the name of site.pro. That's it. Site.pro. Get it? Site.pro. Keep listening here, right? This is insane. Now, I already got me an account. Get you a free account, okay? I'm so excited. I can't even say the words. Like, I got goosebumps around my body right now. Listen, what you do is this. You go to website import. It's crazy, right? And you just copy and paste right there. So we know that's the lander that an affiliate right now is doing 20 to 30,000 per month minimum. I know he's doing it, right? Already. That's the lander. That's where I'm going to click the word import, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to lay back, drink some water, do a little dance. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. See, you see this? See, this is what they don't teach you. Smash the like button if you're enjoying yourself, and smash the like button if you're going to do this right now. This is why people sub to my channel. That's why. Because I just tell them what people didn't tell me when I was broke, making $0 on the internet here. Right? That's why this video is going viral. Like, this video right here is going viral. Everybody with ClickBank hacks, they're going to watch this video and they're going to make $10,000 per month like you, okay? So, listen, you let that import. You wait for it, okay? Let that import here all the way through. And understand this. Let me show you something else while that's important here. If we go back here, we get so much data about this website, right? We even know the keywords. You know, when like in Google Ads, you're like, what are the keywords? What are they using? There you go. These are the top 5 organic keywords that they're using right now. You just copy this and use it for your Google Ads if that's what you're running, okay? You can use it for Facebook ads too. Look at it, top paid. It's crazy, top paid keywords, right? So you can just copy that. They're telling you everything that affiliates are doing. So now you go from a affiliate that was struggling to a super affiliate, okay? Making tens and twenties of thousands of dollars per month. Like, what are you gonna do with the money? You know, when you get that first big check. I remember when I got my first check from ClickBank, it was about $1 million, true story. And I couldn't spend that check for like 1 month. Then I said, well, I got to spend the check because I got to get off this air mattress. So I bought myself a brand new G-Wagon. I'm being honest, and I paid cash for it. So check it out. Let's see if it's done. Okay. Let's go back here to the site here. Look, boom. See that? It is already imported everything for us. Now, you're not done yet, okay? The site is there. I didn't have to program anything. I didn't have to be a developer. And as a matter of fact, this is all free, okay? I know you're liking this, right? Hey, look, big head. Smash the like button because I got more videos like this. There's so many hacks that I've never shared, but I'm going to share it now because I'm pissed at these people, and I want you to win because they are, like, misleading you, okay? So, all you need to do is this, okay? You need to go back to ClickBank, okay? Are you with me? You're going to click the word promote. Simple to do, right? Okay? You're going to type in your account name, right? You could either do the default or the VSL. I'll do the VSL. Generate hop links, okay? You with me here? Copy that. Understand that this hop link right here gets you paid, right? This gets you paid right here, okay? So, you're going to copy that. Then you're going to go back to the site that you just imported, okay? And you see things like this. You see this right here? That's the link, okay? So all you need to do is click that little pencil button here. Let me move my big head. I'm sorry. Let me move my big head out the way, okay? And you just, see that? Apply. So you change all the links. That's it. You change all the links on everything that you see as far as a call to action here. See how simple that is? You don't have to be an expert to do this. You can be a college dropout. You don't. All you need to do is just follow along with the video here. So what you do is you change everything out that says learn more about, okay? Click here too, right? You can change pictures out if you want to. Because like I said, don't copy, but model, right? You can change words out as well. And you can do it just like this instead of where it says no more stalling. You can just put like no more waiting. Hit that little button here. See that right here? Instead of stalling, you can put the word waiting, okay? See? No more waiting, right? You can change all the words up if you want to. You can change this picture out. It could be another girl with a cake in front of her, right? You can change that from an apple to a pear. But the key is every call to action, when you see where it says know what it is, make sure you link that with your affiliate link, okay? That's all you need to do. Once you're done, you click the word publish. And now you have a website and a lander that big affiliates are using right now on ClickBank that's making a ton of money. Listen, smash the like button if you got massive value. Also, in the description below, I can teach you how to create your own product. and it's much more easier than you think. Many people online, like you think it's hard. It's not. It's just people are modeling other people. This is a underground hack. It's a Google hack. I just showed you. Save the sites, and people are making a ton of money. Listen, in the description below, I will show you undeniable proof in no more than 30 to 45 days to make $10,000 per month creating your own product. If you want to do that, or just use this technique. It's very simple. You take this landing page, you put it up with GoDaddy, you send traffic here, and you'll make money like tonight, 24 hours. Because this is a proven page that we know affiliates are already using, top affiliates. Make sense? So, hey, much love. Hey, smash the like button if you got any value. Until the next video, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Let's go!